So first of all, we'll start with the older one. If you look at this, it's got a 22mm connection on there. So what we'll do is we'll unscrew that one off, and then we'll screw that down. And if you see that there, that rests in the pipe, so that this pulls it off. So if we start with this one, so all we need to do is tighten that on, and then once we've done that, we'll just turn this bar around. And if we have a look in there, the olive is inside. If we have a look at that olive, it's really crushed. So when this radiator valve was put on, it'd been really tightened. But it still managed to get it off. Nice and easy, I'd say. So we'll do the other one now. So this is the one that's got the connection for the drill. So what I'm going to do with this is take the bar out. So it's like that, and then I'm going to take the 22mm bit off it, and then just screw that right down, and then just connect that. Just connect that onto there. So now what we're going to do now is we're going to connect the drill into this. So we'll unscrew the top off there, and it gives us a bit more room. So we've just got us healthy drill, so we're just going to take a bit out end. So I'm just going to hold that there, so it tightens on, and then see how easy that was. That's absolutely brilliant. So that's your Monument olive puller, but it's the new one that's got the drill bit on it. So I'd much rather use this one, obviously, than the older one. So again, when we're looking there, it's got the olive in there. So I'm sure you'll agree, the one with the drill bit connection is absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching.